To complement Hot Rod's full line of heavy-duty OEM replacement crankshafts and engine rebuild kits are Hot Rod's Countershaft seal kits, a quick solution to repairing a leaking countershaft seal and bushing in one complete kit. Like other Hot Rods products, these countershaft seal kits are built to the highest quality standards that meet or exceed those of original equipment manufacturers. Included in the kit is Hot Rod's countershaft seal, countershaft bushing, O-rings or D-rings, and when needed for your particular fitment, a spring or lock washer. Customers have come to recognize that there is no substitute for quality of Hot Rod's products, and these countershaft bushings and seal kits won't let you down. If you have any questions or comments, contact us at 515-402-8000 or visit us at HotRodsProducts.com and fill out that contact us form. For quality you can depend on, it's gotta be Hot Rods.